Crystal here from Crystal's Crazy Corner, the Drone Network. What is going on? Look, I'm a day early. Shocking. Well, actually, I'm here to give you a few updates. We will not be streaming tomorrow night, so you guys enjoy your Friday night off. I hope you all do amazing things with your family. Get out there, spend some time, fly. We will be returning on Friday, July 5th. For all my American friends out there, I hope you guys all have a safe and happy 4th of July. If you don't see me before then, but I know you will anyway. So, just had some things going on, had some ideas we're throwing around. What I said earlier, updates. There's been some confusion, and I guess part of that is our fault. The Drone Network is a live stream. It's not a channel. It's not a person. We've been over this before. So, to clear up any and all confusion, the Drone Network is going back to its original spot, Friday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. No other streams for the Drone Network. We're not doing it. We're not confusing you. We're going back to the original basics. Back to basics. Keep it simple, stupid. It always works. So, Friday nights, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the Drone Network on MD95TSI's channel. So, it's not moving time spots. It's not moving channels. We're just going back to the original. We've taken on extra things, kind of stretched ourselves, lost sight of some things. So it's time to regroup. It's time to come back home to the family, to y'all. And that's what the Drone Network was started for, was to help people. It's continued right along on that general line of helping people. There's numerous people out there who can vouch for that, and we love you guys. So instead of stretching ourselves out too thin, we're going back to what worked in the beginning. The love of drones. And as you see behind me, there is not only race drones, there are camera drones, there are wings. The only thing I don't see technically behind me right now is a toy grade. Guys, everybody threw it out there before. Oh, the Drone Network went to the dark side. No, it didn't. They all still fly. You've seen the footage. They may not all fly all the time, but the love is still there. We still love every single one of you, no matter what you fly. That's what the Drone Network is all about. Bringing people together who share a love of drones. To share the love of our hobby, to share knowledge. Guys, you are our family. You are our drone family, and we love you dearly. So, like I said, we're going back to the beginning. Wait and see. Come see us on Friday, July 5th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And catch the Drone Network the way it was. The good old times. Sharing the love. Sharing the hobby. Come meet our family. If you haven't already. Because they're amazing. So, I hope you all understand that we've had to revamp and reshuffle. Took a little bit of time. But we'll catch you all next Friday. 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, July 5th, right here on MD95TSI's channel. Yeah. It'll be him and I. Come hang out. Come share the passion of drones. Until then, we love y'all. Have a great day.